Good investors, welcome to the 11th of May 2015. Looking at the trade of today, it's called the BHP Billiton and the code is Billiton. It's BIL. Last traded price was R285.33. Action on this trade is to do a sell trade with the objective to go from a high level to a low level. Entry level will be R288.17 on the grey line, and the target to follow on the green line is R276.65. Stop loss to be used on this trade is R293.93. Looking at the current open trades at this moment, it's Woolies and CFR. They're still open. And one was opened on the 30th of April and the other one was opened on the 8th of May. Looking at the top 40 index, as you can see, this is the top 40 shares on the JSE indicated by the black line. Currently trading underneath the blue, that's the 20-day moving average, and the red, that's the 10-day moving average, showing that momentum is going down, but it's starting to pick up again. No cross happened as yet to indicate that more downside could be due in the momentum. Currently the futures are showing a bit of a positive opening for Monday morning on the South African market, but the European markets are a bit flat due to Greece, and the American markets are also flat at this moment on their future openings. Keep a close eye on the markets due to that indexes that could follow upwards or downwards direction is very important. Looking at the Dow Jones, they closed about 267 points higher on Friday evening. They went from this low on the support here above the resistance to the green line here, almost a 1.7% positive close due to the non-farm payroll figures. Now, as you can see, that is again on the top side. Looking at the J200, and you can basically see this is the top 40 shares on the JSE, and they physically came down with a negative ABC pattern. It started to move up again, and it needs to break this 48,000 points if you want to see more upward movement happening. Currently trading at the level of 47,716 points. Looking at your Shoprite did lose momentum at this moment on this wedge. You can see it. There's the support, there's the resistance, broken down. Currently trading here at 165.70. Now, any time the share can break these levels of 167 or 170, more upward movement can be due. Share seems to be cheap at this moment as well. Looking at some indicators, Woolies. Now, if you look at Woolies, it's very important to look at the pricing of this share as well. And you can see this 90 Rand, I'm talking about 91 Rand. It did move downwards in this channel. You can actually extend this red lines here, and you can see it's testing that 90 Rand level, 91 Rand level. If broken, next high could be at 92, 93, 95 at the bottom. So there's a bit of momentum coming through on this specific share as well. Mr. Price is totally different. Mr. Price is still in this downward momentum and a negative ABC pattern, high, low, high, low, high, low. Tested his previous lows, and yet currently trading between a level of 241 and a level of 248, close at 246. Trading between the green and the purple Bollinger Band in a negative channel, but it's becoming cheap again. Let's go and look at the banking shares. Barclays Bank is currently trading here on the support level here. And that support level was close here to a level of 183 Rand, close at 186. If this share needs to pick up, it needs to break this 188 level, 188.54 level if it needs to go higher. But it's still tested by the middle green Bollinger Band as well. The same thing, we need to look at the Standard Bank, also here at the bottom after the negative channel. 170 was support, currently trading at 171.29. At the bottom, we need to see if there's going to be a breakup due here. Looking at Investec bounced on this 110 Rand, went higher again. It went up 360 Rand higher to the level of 113.54. And as you can see, the next high is 115. So the bank's starting to pick up after a bit of a downward momentum. Let's go and look at the MTNs. MTN, positive patterns, low, high, low, high, low, higher. Negative pattern in this downward momentum between the green and the red. Testing the bottom again. Now the big question is 250 the low now, and it could start rising up. If it breaks at 236, more upside could be due. Otherwise, 250 could be the support, and the next one after that is 224.67. Keep a close eye on this one as well. Vodacom doing similar momentum, also close to the 145, currently trading at 146.44. Need to see if this is going to be a bounce upwards or break to go downwards. So let's see what happens with this share in the next 2 or 3 days. Looking at your Exaros, as we identified, could be a head and shoulder pattern forming here. Leg, shoulder, head, getting support on the neckline there, and that is close to the 97 rand at this moment. Could go bounce up to see if this pattern is going to start playing out. CFR, now very interesting, positive channel, trading between the green and the red in a positive upward momentum at the bottom of this channel in the positive channel. Need to see if this 107 could be broken. If 107 could be broken, next high of expectation is close to the 109. So as you can see, some shares are low, others are coming down. Need to track the fundamental data on the American side. A lot of data coming out this week, and enjoy your trading.